Hey there, this is Tammy. Thanks for landing on this video here. Just wanted to possibly remind you to subscribe to my channel for all of my updates if you're not already a subscriber to my YouTube channel. This right here, what you're looking at is a payment that comes through the system, and it's on automation. I literally have payments of $300 coming through with a one-page sales page. You want to call it a sales page. It does all this selling, telling, and explaining for me. Over the years, I just have never gotten sick of these kinds of systems, and so I specialize in peer-to-peer, member-to-member payment systems. And we launched this one here. It's my second, actually third product online in the past 14 years that we have been having an amazing success with. So I just wanted to do this video update. I wanted to invite you into the, I guess you could say, my world, and have you come to my capture page, which then goes to a sales page, which then goes to a registration page. And in this circumstance, you don't have to have any system or funnel. So if you are just starting out and you want to get used to receiving payments, you can simply share a 3-minute video, and that's going to explain everything for your prospect. We have 2 ways you can generate leads, and a lot of people come to me and they ask me, what is this all about? How does this work? And we even have a Monday overview from time to time. March Madness, we've been doing Monday Zoom blitzes, so you're more than welcome to attend those. And again, just subscribe so in case you do miss a Monday Zoom, you can always get my updates. So again, what is the 300 Cash Vault? It was an idea I had, myself, my son, my husband. We had an idea on 3 pillars to teach people. Number 1, cash flow, which obviously it's 100% commission, so you can earn $300, 100%. And the other income opportunities that are out there, you might not get 100% commission. And this is a one-time fee, by the way. But there's other income streams out there where you have to work a long time in order to get $300. So like in other network marketing companies, for example, you may sell a huge package, but you're not going to get a large amount of that sale. It's going to be split up between you, the company, all the downline, and into infinity and all this kind of stuff. Well, here with the 300 Cash Vault, you're going to literally get 300 a pop. Okay, I'm going to just take you over to my sales page. And again, this is just something that we put together. It is a 100% commission information product where you can resell it, and it's all put together for you. So you never had to find the programmer. You never had to think of the idea. These are 3 core pillars that people need right now. So the first one, again, is to earn 300. The second one is to learn how to put your hard-earned money into assets and wealth preservation, protection. So these are all the things you're going to find out. You can, of course, go to my 3-minute video below, and you can see all these amazing survival courses, to be honest with you. And, you know, everybody's talking about this, that, and the other thing. Well, you know what? Myself and my family, we don't panic. We actually just get prepared. So that's one of the things that we're going to talk about, especially on Mondays. There is bonuses, of course. I always love bonuses. Bonuses, in my opinion, are what make or break programs. And this, for example, you're going to get emergency loan information. You're going to get a guaranteed 3 leads a day. Maybe you want 5 leads a day. Maybe you want 10 leads a day. I have that. I have unlimited lead resources once you join. And of course, the huge bonus: no funnels, no emails, no setup. You never have to tell, sell, or explain this opportunity. The 24/7 video does it for you. So I love it because it's put together for you. One-time fee of $300 to your referring member, $97 to the Fearless Rebels movement. That's what keeps our support team in place, and it's what our programmer and all of our support systems require, is an admin fee. One-time admin fee, no monthly fee. And I just wanted to, welcome you to the 300 Cash Vault. Make sure you check it out, and we're having a lot of fun with this one. So I will see you on the inside.